Hi, the spaghetti squash plant can produce up to 30 large melons, each of which can stay good at room temperature for almost a year. It means one plant can supply nourishing meals all year long. Hi, I'm going to bake this squash in the oven. Let's go and bake it now. To prepare the squash, start by making a few holes in the melon, either with a knife or by tapping the screwdriver through the skin. Now I'm going to bake this. Place the whole melon in a tray or a baking sheet at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. I'm going to cut it open now. It was cooled down completely for an hour. I'm going to scoop out the seed and then remove the flesh with a fork. This vegetable is called shark fin melon because the cooked flesh
Oh,
resembles shark
look
fin.
at that.
Hi, I'm making this vegetable into three different pieces: spaghetti, large pieces, and the seeds. I use these strands for paisam and for talipit, and I use the big pieces for sambar and kutu. Large pieces have some flesh attached with the skin. I'm going to dehydrate all the seeds and I'm extracting some juice to have the juice after I food process. This juice actually has a light cooling and naturally hydrating benefits. Simply squeeze the processed squash to collect the refreshing liquid. This is for thali peat. You can use any kinds of flours. See the recipe for the details. It is such an excellent breakfast. And here I'm making the
So,
dessert, which is called paisam, and I'm making it with jaggery. This is the best kind of jaggery that I like, kolhapuri jaggery. And I added some sago and rice noodles as well. Please see the full recipe. And this is thali peat. I'm just patting it on a cast iron pan. Wet the hands before you pat it so it spreads easily, and don't pat it on too hot surface. You might want to sprinkle water on the surface if it gets too hot. Cover it and cook it on a medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And when you flip it, you don't want to cover it, just leave it open. See, it's ready, nice and crunchy. This is Kerala style kuttu made with big pieces of the squash and with chana dal and coconut milk in it. See how economical it is. Six of us had so many different dishes for dinner just with one vegetable.